as
I'll
per
check the video out for more info, but I said I could.
security updates for Windows security for 24H2. The version is KB5063878, and it's causing HDD and SSD issues. So this is the screenshot, and then this one, I've already uninstalled the said um, issues, and as you can see, um, my SSD, I don't know why it's not opening, but there, the issue was some of, not only me, not experienced on only on mine. It also experienced by a lot of users there who update their Windows to this version, and it caused hard disk malfunctions, or the health of the disk was turns from 100% to 10%, and less than, the worst is less than 10%. So um I decided to uninstall this version for me there, and hopefully hope and other disk file on my, there you go. As you can see, after opening the this up, it turns, like 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes before opening. So there you can notice that there's a lot of issues on there, actually on the disk. So there you go. You can see this shit before, like what time now? 8:37. The last time I checked this is like 5 hours before, and it's 100%, and as you can see now, it's only 10%, and it's worst. And there's a reading, and hopefully, um, as of now, what I'm currently doing is uninstall the updates, and still waiting on the Microsoft updates. If what there will be, what will they do on this certain problem? So they should be. I mean, they should be fix these issues, because not only me experiencing this, there's a lot of users experiencing this. So uh, that's huge headache, you know.